A tutorial about using graphics programs. Here I'm suggesting 4 programs because they're multi-platform and open source and free. So one is called Darktable. You can import a photograph and you can do lots of things: shadows, highlights, copy, rotate, orientation, all sorts of things you can do with that one. Another one is called Krita. It's a basic paint program. So again, you've got lots of options up the top here, filters, then we have the classic Gimp. This one I like because again you can do lots of things, plenty of options. The other thing about all these programs is there's plenty of help online because they're open source. And another one is called Inkscape. Inkscape is a vector graphics. It does like making pictures bigger and that without losing too much. And you can add text very easily. And because it's vector graphics, it's easy to pull stuff around. So as I say, there's lots of help online because there's usually a community involved with each one. Darktable, Krita, Gimp, and Inkscape. So there's no need to buy Photoshop for $1,200. These are all open source, free, and multi-platform. I'm running them in Linux Mint. So as you can see, you can do a lot of stuff for free. No need to buy the expensive stuff. Ka kite anō.